Borrowing money from Zenith Bank application is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ensure you have an active account with Zenith Bank. If you don't have one, you may need to open an account. So, visit the official App Store for your device, Google Play Store for Android, or the App Store for iOS. Now search here for Zenith Bank and download the official mobile banking application. Open the app and register your account. This usually involves providing your account number, personal details, and creating a secure password. After registration, link your account to the mobile app. Follow the app's instructions for this process. Explore the app to find information about loan products and eligibility criteria. There might be a specific section for loans or credit facilities. Once you've identified a suitable loan product, follow the app's instructions to submit a loan application. This may include providing information about your income, employment, and other relevant details. After submitting your application, the bank will review it. The approval process may take some time, and the bank may request additional documentation. If your loan is approved, carefully review the terms and conditions. Ensure you understand the interest rates, repayment schedule, and any associated fees. Upon acceptance of the loan terms, the funds will be disbursed to your account. Follow the provided repayment schedule. The app may have features to set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track.